Alright, hey guys, so over the next few weeks, I'm going to take you through the process of me installing my first exhibition of the year, which features mini works by the Sticky Note to Self project, a video installation, and some printed pieces for this show at Gallery 210 in St. Louis, Missouri called Taking It to the Streets. Now, this show features a lot of different artists from across the St. Louis region who've used their works to reflect on, respond to, challenge different social issues that are going on in our city. And so I'm one of those artists, and I have this entire space to myself. So in this space, this wall that you see here will be covered with a video that's going to play just some footage that I've captured. This wall will eventually be covered completely in black sticky notes with messages and stuff on them. And then this wall, this longer wall, will have a selection of 5 prints from the project. And I brought over all of my black sticky notes. Every single one of my black sticky notes to date will be in this show. The ones that you see that are in color, that are often in videos behind me in my play space at my home, those will not be in the show, mainly because they're on like these panels that are literally like nailed into the wall. And I really wanted to keep a theme with this show about reflecting on Blackness, resistance, and activism. And so this is gonna be it. I'm super excited about it. There's an additional wall that I may turn into just a typographic mural if I finish everything in time, but these 3 walls are my big focus. So each day and each night as I'm installing, I'll be sure to record a few moments of the night and parts of the progress so that you all can be a part of this journey with me. So today I got a lot going on. With installation and also in a focus group with Tech Shop and a lot of meetings. Hey guys, so today is January 28th and it's the opening of our exhibition, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that today. So now we're just adding final touches. Yay! And here's a little bit of the experience once the gallery's open and some of our first guests arrived. And I love the way that the rest of the show turned out as well. Here's some works by Attilio from our Faces of the Movement project, Howard Berry, and just so many amazing artists. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out this adventure. Be sure to check out the previous video of my trip to New York and stay tuned for even more. Be sure to subscribe so that you get all the updates and adventures as soon as they come.